Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I am coming to you all today with some of my truth. Yes, I said it. I'm coming to y'all today with my compulsive bead disorder stash. Okay, y'all, I have a problem. Every time I go out, I am always buying something. I can't help it. LOL. I'm always buying something to make things. So, in this here segment, I am going to show y'all some of the items that I purchased from the store that's in my stash that I've never used. So, go get some popcorn, go get some potato chips, go get some feel-good food, and join me for this here segment. Okay? All right. So now since I got all that talk out the way, we're going to get into the stash. All right, we all have compulsive bead disorders, okay? Or we have some type of disorder when it comes to some things, okay? So basically, let me show y'all. I bought these a long time ago. And I got these babies from Michael. Now, when I first bought these, my decision was for me to make some bracelets out of these, okay, using stretch cord. My problem is that what I did not like about this, I'm going to show you, and I'm still going to use them anyway, was that where the holes are on the bead. When I got these, y'all, I never looked at the actual beads itself. I just grabbed them. Okay, I never looked at that the holes were up at the top of the bead instead of being in the middle of the bead. So it kind of made it hard for me to figure out what I was going to do with them. But now me sitting here, I figured out what I'm going to do. So this is something that I bought that I haven't used. And as a matter of fact, I bought 2 of these and they weren't on sale. Okay. So let's get to the next item. My next item is this beautiful trim that I bought. I got this from Walmart. And this is what it looks like. It's lace. Well, I guess you could say it's lace, but it's made like, is it lace? No, it's just trim. And you can use this for anything. So I was supposed to be making some chokers because you get three yards. Yes. And I could have made a ton of chokers. I could have pretty much made it and created it the way that I wanted it to be. But this is something else that I bought that I have not used yet. See how pretty it is? I got it on my arm so you can actually see how gorgeous it is. Okay? So this is another thing that I bought that is in my stash. Okay? Now, I have a bag here full of stuff that I purchased that I have not used. Some of the stuff in this bag is about a year old. I know, it's a shame, isn't it? But it's all good because this is what I keep telling myself. One of these days, I am going to use everything. And I have to stop buying and start using. Okay? So let me show you what I have. Now, some of these items come from various stores. Excuse me, y'all. Some of these items come from AC Moore, Michaels, and I believe Walmart. So let's get into it. All right, so I was in Walmart and I came across, y'all know, I love 98 cent. So I bought these beads here, never used them, okay? What I was going to do with these was I was going to paint them. That's what my decision was. I was like, you know what? I'm going to paint them, blah, 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 blah. But I've had them for a while, okay? And they're just sitting there. So that's one thing. What else? I got these also from Walmart. These silver plate wire hooks. You get 4 pair. Never used them. And they have just been sitting in my bead stash. Okay? And I want to tell y'all something. I am making my own ear hooks now. I didn't realize how easy it was for me to make my own ear hooks. So now I don't have to worry about buying any more of these because I'm going to be making my own. Yes, awesome. All right, so this is something else that I bought from Walmart. I have these in all colors, okay? I have them in blue. I have it in white. I have it in red. I have it in pink. Okay. Now, when I bought these, I had an idea. I don't forgot the idea. What I was supposed to have been using these for, okay? It'll come back. But I bought these in all colors, and they were only $1. Whenever you go to Walmart, y'all, and if you look down the bottom, they have a bin down there where they have ribbon and some other things, and it was $1. So of course I had to indulge, right? Never used it. Okay? I'm going to be using my stuff, okay? One of these days, LOL. So the next couple of things that I'm going to show you, I got from AC Moore. And I got these right here. And I'm going to be honest with you. Like, this is ridiculous. Now, I got these about a year ago. That's how long these have been in my stash. Haven't used them. And these are some turtles. Charms. And this is a signature piece. And these are leopards. You cannot... Now, I may be wrong, okay? But I got these from AC Moore. But Michaels, Joann Fabrics, and Hobby Lobby does not sell this type of, these here, okay? This is a signature piece that you can only get from AC Moore. Now, like I said, I may be wrong, but I've never seen these in Joann Fabric. Of course, not Walmart. Michaels and Hobby Lobby. Okay, never seen these in that store. So this is pretty much AC Moore's signature piece. And my little leopard that was up here, I have no idea where he is. I probably took him off or something. But never used these, okay? Now, y'all know I have a, oh, and also, I got these also from AC Moore. They were, I think, $2 and some change. I got them from AC Moore because, once again, like I said, I was supposed to have been doing a project with them. My nose is running, y'all. Excuse me. I was supposed to have been doing a project. These are flat in the back. But I got them because I like the sparkle and the shine on them. They're really gorgeous. And this is really good for those of you who do paper crafts and make books and envelopes and cards and all that stuff. This would be a good, a very good add-on, okay? Got these from AC Moore. This is another signature piece that you can only, wait a minute. Did I get these from AC Moore? Or Walmart? I believe I got these from AC Moore, y'all. Okay. It's either, I believe I got these from AC Moore. I don't know if, I don't think I got these from Walmart. I got these from AC Moore. Okay. All right. So the next 1, 2, 3, 4. The next, let me see, next 7 items. Yes. I couldn't help myself. Of course, y'all know me, right? So I'm always out there buying stuff, okay? They had a sale as usual, okay? My compulsive bead disorder, LOL, couldn't help it. So I was at Michael's. Actually, this right here. Oh yeah, all of this is from Michael's. But I got these, okay? I got these when they weren't on sale. I think these was like $4. And you get 12 pieces. And as a matter of fact, I bought 2 packs. I did use a little bit from the first pack, okay? These I never used. I had them for a while. These are bead caps. You make out better. Well, yeah, you'll make out better going to dollarbead.com and getting these bead caps, because dollarbead.com, you get 50 bead caps just like this. They don't have these sizes, but just like this for $1. I haven't shopped at dollarbead.com in a long time, but I'm going to do a haul on all the stuff that I have from dollarbead.com. I don't think y'all ready for that. I don't ever have to go out and buy anything else, but I'm telling y'all, LOL, with this compulsive bead disorder, I can't help it, okay? So I got these, never used it, all right? And these are my sale items. Now, this is why I tell y'all that whenever they run sales, you got to go get you some goodness, okay? Because you just never know what you're going to need, when you're going to need it, and what you're going to need it for. I got one more item to show you after this. These are, okay, these are like findings, jewelry findings. Okay, so these are some ear pens. They were originally $3.99. Of course, you see they were $1.47. I have had this stuff for over a year. I know for a fact I have, okay? So I got these, never used them, had an idea, thought about what I was going to use them for. But once again, it's always good, y'all, to stack up when you see stuff on sale, because you never know what you're going to use it for or need it for, okay? But don't turn into a compulsive bead. Don't start a compulsive bead disorder habit, okay? Buying stuff when you don't need it. So this is one pack right here. These are like bead closures. Okay, you use these for your end of your cords and stuff. And this is really, really good. These are really good because you can use it for like really fine stuff like leather cord, suede cord, you know, and you'll just take the glue. Most of the time you'll take a hot glue gun and you'll put the glue. You can put the glue on the tip of it, or you can put the glue on the inside. Put the tip of glue on the tip of it, on the tip of whatever you're using. Slide it right in there and it won't come off. Really, really, really convenient, y'all. So they had these on sale and it's 10 in a pack, okay? Had to get those. Chain, okay? I bought every pack that they had on there. I have more packs than this. I have no idea where I put them, because I have a problem with when I buy stuff. I sometimes go from stash to stash to stash to stash. Okay. So this is the chain I bought. This is the small chain I bought. Never used it. All the stuff, like I said, I purchased about a year ago. I've had it for a while. They were on sale for $1.47. Y'all get y'all goodness. Whenever they have these sales, you must get it. but don't turn into a compulsive bead. Don't start that, okay? So they had it also in this link, this nice heavy link chain. And I think if you want tips on how to make or create, you go to www.beadalong.com. I think they'll have some tips on, I don't know if to show you how to, because this wire is a silver plated wire. So it's good wire. I mean, not good wire. It's good chain, okay? All right. So I never use these. My very last piece I got from Walmart. I got this a long time ago. I had an idea that came to my mind. Actually, you know what? I didn't have an idea. I just got it because I wanted it. There you go. Bingo. All right. So I bought these. I got them because of this right here. You see that in there? That's why I got them. These are absolutely beautiful glass beads. That's why I got them. Never used it for anything. But it was because of these two beads right here that made me get it, okay? And I think this string was like $3. Because Walmart beads are really not that expensive. Some rondelles right here. Their beads are really not that expensive. So, with this being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this compulsive bead disorder video that I did. And because it's the truth, but it's my truth. I don't know how many people have a bead disorder like me, but I just felt like I wanted to share. Anywho, anyhaw. All right, y'all. So, with that being said, I want to thank y'all. Really want to thank y'all for joining me for this video. And for those of you who are new, this is your first time to this channel, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button that is on the side. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share. And I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. Until the next one, see ya.